Kagame and Kenya Town Council and a national media platform. I'm a national coordinator in the sector of art and entertainment led by my comrade European. Yagarambere kuri fumba tamuze mukatono myo mwente ngera nkwata muna wabya gwa sobolo prokoro bodde. I was one of the commanders where I've been deployed to supervise the fight of the ceremony. As I was there, actually I was doing my job very well. I was standing in one of the polling stations in Kenya. Those who stay in Kenya, I think we know the polling station. The school called Serena. Serena, that school Serena. I was working with my colleague, my brother Cedric Kauma. The situation was calm and the turnout was low. So I was given a phone call by my brother, Rogers Tijambo. That Rogers Tijambo is well known for having managed numerous artists, including me, David Utaro, and others. He was telling me that Honorable Kaina Soro in Kazangola and Honorable Shana Hilary had been arrested. So the polling station was empty with no supervisor. What I did was to drive to Kawempe, Angola. Having arrived there, it was like 10 minutes after I was standing near Madame Sarah. I was standing with Madame Sarah Nasima. The turn-up was, people were non-violent, there was nobody quarreling, there was nobody fighting another. So the Jati guys came and arrested me. They took me into a drone very, very quickly. Having arrived into the drone, I can't tell you what is in drone. For those who have never been taken into drone, you pray to God so that you do not enter the drone. In 3 minutes, I can tell you that the guys, I was beaten seriously to understand that the whole body had to swim. When I reached out, you back. I'm called Mafia, so I'm a musician. Are you sure? I'm the one who sang Amenyaga Kamaka. Oh, put off the mask, the mask. You are the one. Kakati, Amenyaga Kamaka. I know that program. Amenyaga Kamaka. The Samuel Gabuayo, or we have a Marika. Never Gamba, we go. Never we have to go back. Money by the police of Kadu to money to be more ago. Koga Kayema Sola Yudawa. January the Sawa and Gabi, not to forget to go to do in quality. A little Yabusa. With Wesa Kayema Sobas, Madame Zamusa, Roger Soka, York, with Sangamano. They are not my auntie, Bilan. Fakati, Omoko Bafuka, Shariwa, and Milaya, Simani. You know who you are, I found it. I'm qualified for Kaina Sona. A member of parliament representing the people from Comanche. I don't want to yes, I'm the one. Honorable. One year she will look at the Comanche. Sakaya no Kuya Gomala, Maria Kudomos. Yudamai. I found it. When the party tells you to do something, you can't say no. So we are deployed by the party. I'm also honorable. If you say to the people of Mawakota. I'm also honorable. So we are with the one that was in this drone. There is a car. There is a Mushibo. Oh, there is a Mushibo. A taxi of Nevis and so when I leave the car. You're not going to so Massimani. You drone. Speed. We're doing a tumala batutuusewa ne basaba zalinga zozinga bbiri oba ssatu ezekirimu obudde tulabawulidde awo ne batuyingiza mu ruumu twalimu basatu nze bamaze okututegeera tulibaho nalegose bamaze okukola ki otutegeera twasangamu abasajja ebipatamulobondi na t-shirt akakyenvu era nze baali bankuoloka yebaso yangamba ndenawo kaaba nnyo but I didn't know why I was crying when I was not crying because I had been caned so much. I was crying because they had covered my face with a yellow t-shirt and half yellow single crash, or I was a little crash, the Jinuma, and I jammer where to come to abasajja batutuuza tuddamu okweyanjula ne wajja omusajja tetumanyiraabira bulungi Buganda aluga muve mu luumu n'atwala mu luumu endala biluumu endala agiteekamu bannaffe bano abalala betuuze nabo abatali bahonale bonzi twawulira omuggo ogunyookera ku Baganda ndowooza meeya Mutebi gye bamutwala awo omuggo ogunyooka neffe nga batugambye temudda mukola ki muddamu katuliyimbire nenyimba ngambulaawo bale mukiyaga nasulamu Ameria Ameria, what did you mean by singing Ameria? It's just a half song. Half song. No, even Ameria, I don't know where Singapore. Primuri, Petrona Matunada, Name a Chinuma, Waka, say a China single to Saku, TikTok, Yagano Chibu, Zana, Chibu, Name Slipper. And the Sabbath were under Mosamvu. Omani yatukuuma okanira mukaka wozikanje naye nga tugamba ekintu kimu kireera mwe temuli determined mutandika nemutabeera serious nemutandika nemutabeera ki kitegeeza even those guys are ready to join us singa tubakukoze ki tutandise kino kijasifayinga kaba kyakoze eki kyayogedde baliyo nabo baliredde okukola ki okutegattako so mubufunze njagala ntambula empolampola zisobola okuwawona mukayemba solo eyakozeeko ebyenziro byonna n'anjogera mu kimu abasajja bamala bamuteeka muki mu ruumu endala kati nze saati yange baali bagiwambye esaati yange nengatto nga olabire esaati ye yolali mu kiyaga n'esaati ye simanyi lwaki batwala yange nabalekera kakati munnange tutudde omwempewo nyina empewo kati ntuuka ngamba afande empewo egenda kunzita bagamba afande baridi empewo egenda kunzita kati otegeta abagamba tukoze tutya naye bagamba namundu mutwala ebuzi naye ugere mugulire esaati naŋŋamba nti wetuli waliwo kilomitas ngaasatu okutuuka mu trading center tekisoboka naye bakuleete ekiroli yambale n'aleeta agenda okujja aleeta t-shirt ya Mami Museveni gyeriko ekifaananyi neŋŋamba afande empewo ebadde enfuuwa ekendeddemu ensewulira bubi nnyo kati empewo ekendeddemu afande naŋŋamba yambala neesooka nguguma neŋŋona neŋŋanda empeza akayemba mwe yakulire mwagera nga atayagala nagamba baba wano muganda wange yambala tunamutegerezekayamba era bakayemba yambala baba yambala ebakagimba wewakane yambala nemugamba wabagenanganyirwa yambala tunategereze nemugamba afande zikirizibwa okugikyusa ekifaananyi kino kibeere erimunda nangamba yambala nga bweri obulire obuwoomi bwa siteeti kati twagala ebigambo ebisembayo ekyasinga okunnuma nti nga batukuba lwa busosoze mawanga abaganda mulowooza kampala eyo yammwe muli ku kyalo mbandigataba bwayogedde ffe tetugoberera tetujja wano lwa pulezidenti wa Uganda Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu tuliwo bansonga eziruma bannayuganda n'ensonga zakulembedde ensonga zatembeeta zitukola ki era naye akyogera mu nyempi bwali zivaako tumukole ki tumukyawe n'okuba kyaziribwa ekyo lwaki tukola ki Ndio kati ya waganda wengi wanasalimu. Katika ile pesa Kyagulanyi, isije kipesa ya chini ya matikati.